Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So we are over here. This is launch day. We are at Pioneer Place, Portland, Oregon. Yes, this is the Pioneer Place store behind me. As you can see, they've got a glass-on-glass design intentionally, but we are here for the brand new iPad Pros. We're getting the 11 and the 13. So let's check it out. All right, here we are. There is the line. Doors are about to open any minute now. Yay. So here we are. We just came directly from Apple, and we have got the 11-inch iPad Pro. So this one is this model right here. This is Space Black, 256 gig, their starting storage with Wi-Fi and cellular. And so I just wanted to show this to you. You've got these two tabs right here that we are going to undo. We are going to open this up. Slides open very, very easily. It feels super duper thin, like without even taking it out of this paper, it is super duper thin. I got to play with it at the Apple store when it was tethered to all of the cables there, all of the security cables, but it is very, very thin. Feels really, really sturdy, by the way. And you can see the camera right there. Oh, we're gonna get fingerprints right on the screen, but take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is their Space Black, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. You're going to have also the paperwork in here. And then also take a look at this. You get the black braided cable and the power brick that just fell out. But first impression, wow. It is super duper thin. Feels really, really sturdy in the hand. Looks phenomenal. Like spectacular, actually. Feels really, really good, and it is really, really light. Got a chance to play with the air there too, which was last generation's body design-ish for the iPad Pro, and this is a noticeable lighter difference, especially when you've got the two right next to each other. This is their 13-inch, not 12.9-inch, but the 13-inch iPad Pro, and this was gotten in silver. So this is their 1 terabyte unbinned version. It's also Wi-Fi plus cellular. So let us undo the tabs back here. First one, second one, open it up. So let me just set this down right here. So here you've got your standard paperwork, your white braided cable, and the power adapter. Take a look at the back. So the camera does seem a little bit smaller, the actual module itself. It's all metal in one piece now. Feels very, very thin, very sturdy in the hand, which is really, really neat. You can see right here the Apple logo. I hate getting fingerprints on the screen, but oh well. But here we go. You could take a look right here. Absolutely super duper thin. Pretty darn amazing looking. Beautiful silver. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see here, we haven't even turned it on, but I know just first impression, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Feels really, really sturdy. No, I'm not going to be trying to break this in half, but it looks awesome. Really, really does. We'll have to check out long term what it's going to do, how it's going to perform, and Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please hit the like and subscribe button. There are going to be more videos to come, and we'll get some more details on this guy right here. But thanks for watching. Bye for now.